You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word with confusing spelling, but the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar as assuage. Let's break it down into syllables. A schwa sound here, not a. Assuage, stress on the second syllable. Assuage, assuage, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.